Alright, so I installed all the 4 screws. I was saying the screws shouldn't be too tight. You should be able to move this. Well, it wouldn't move very easy because of the motors, but it's not also very hard to turn. So if you tighten this and notice there's too much tension, it's because the 2 plates are not exactly parallel, because these holes are not exactly fit. And you lose them, you play it a little back and forth, and then you tighten it. And if you notice there's still too much friction, especially in the both ends, then you just leave them loose, and the lock washer here will do the work. I will stop the screws from unfolding. So right now it's quite good. Then you install the supports. These are called feeder support, and these 2 are what hold the feeder. It's a rectangle. It's a 2 by 3, or I just actually quickly measure. It's a 2 by 1.5, I believe. Looks like it. Okay. Yeah. So it's a 2 by 1.5, and some of you, like the earlier versions, it was a 2 by 2. So if you have a 2 by 2, I haven't cut the upper part of the heatsink, and then you need a cylinder coupler to connect the feeder to the actual extruder. But if you're getting 2 by 1.5, so if you haven't got yours yet, then you're getting 2 by 1.5 blocks, or like most of the pre-assembled ones or self-assembly units, it's also 2 by 1.5. So you do not need a coupler for this part, and all you do is that you put them here, and the holes are a little off center, so it's like a V, and they're facing outward, so the V is facing out and out. So this V goes in here, and this is also a V facing outside, so it goes here. And then what you need is a number 832 1/2 inch and a lock washer, and it's always good to have a little magnet I use to hold the screws. Makes my life easier. So the guy goes in, the screw goes in, and I try to tighten it. Like this. Okay, and same trick here. So 6/32 1/2 inch. The V is facing outside. The screw goes in, and try to tighten. So again, we don't tighten this too much. It's okay if it has a little bit of play, like, I don't know if you can see. Just a little bit of play is fine, because everything is not perfect, even though they are CNC machine.